Apple Watch Ultra Renewed Review, rugged, reliable, and budget-friendly. The Apple Watch Ultra, Renewed, is a feature-packed smartwatch designed for those who push their limits, whether on rugged trails, underwater adventures, or intense workouts. With its 49mm corrosion-resistant titanium case and a green alpine loop band, this watch is built to endure the toughest conditions while keeping you connected and safe. Rugged design and display. The aerospace-grade titanium case offers incredible durability, paired with 100 water resistance for diving and water sports. The always-on Retina display is bright and easy to read, even in direct sunlight. Its flat-screen design not only enhances clarity but also simplifies adding a screen protector. Advanced features for every explorer. From athletes to adventurers, this watch excels in performance. Runners will love the precision dual-frequency GPS and advanced metrics like heart rate zones and running form. Hikers can rely on the compass waypoints and backtrack features to retrace their steps, while divers can use the Oceanic Plus app for underwater navigation. Unmatched health and safety tools. Stay ahead of your health with features like blood oxygen tracking, sleep monitoring, and fall detection. The built-in emergency siren provides extra security, ensuring you're prepared for unexpected situations. Why choose Renewed? The Renewed version delivers like-new performance at a fraction of the price. Verified customer reviews praise its excellent condition and reliability, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious buyers. Pros: durable titanium case and water resistance. Advanced health, safety, and fitness features. Long battery life, up to 36 hours. Cost-effective alternative to the new model. Cons: limited packaging. Lacks the latest software upgrades of newer models. The Apple Watch Ultra, Renewed, is perfect for adventurers and fitness enthusiasts seeking premium features without the premium price. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.